Hey my friends, welcome to the Crypto Profit channel where you learn different ways to profit from the crypto market. So today I want to talk to you about something very important. As you learn more strategy to generate more income in the crypto world, you will need to get that part right. Get yourself a hard wallet, also known as cold wallet. Now there are many advantages to get yourself a hard wallet. For example, me personally, I have a couple of them. I have the Trezor or the Ledger. You could do your search online to find out more about this stuff as you learn on this channel how to get more cash flow, how to create more profit in the crypto market. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you can learn more information on how to grow and make profit in this crypto market. So here's 4 reasons why you need to get yourself a hard wallet. Number 1 is better security. Your hard wallet will store your private keys offline. They are less likely to get hacked. I have a friend of mine, I introduced them last bull run to some of the strategy to create cash flow with cryptocurrency. He was able to run it up and make some pretty good amount of money from crypto, some pretty good amount of profit. But last year he got an email, jump into his email, click on a link in the email, boom, they got access to his wallet, to his keys. Next day you log into his computer. Just imagine, next day you logged in and you find almost close to 6-figure gone. And that's because he didn't have, a hard wallet. He trusted just leaving stuff on his computer. So don't make the same mistake. Learn from other people's mistake. Get yourself a hard wallet. Now the second reason why you need to have your hard wallet is because it's gonna keep you safe from exchanges. It's way safer. There's a saying that says that not your keys, not your crypto. You've seen what happened. It could be a big exchange. Me, I don't trust any of them. I don't trust Binance. I don't trust Coinbase. None of them. You've seen what happened to FTX. If you've seen some of the exchanges, you can put your money or your coins or your crypto on an exchange, and the exchange goes down, it goes down with your crypto. It goes down with your crypto. Now you have no more money and it's not even your fault. Sometimes you want to get access to your crypto, and if it's on an exchange, you can't even get access to it. Sometimes they will stop withdrawal for weeks, months, and you just log into the exchange with your account. Once you log in there, it says that withdrawal will stop. And sometimes they don't even tell you for how long, when something could happen to the exchange that you have nothing to do with you. They can get hacked, something happened, they stop withdrawal from everybody, and you don't get yours. People lost money. I've lost money in the first bull run on exchanges that till today. There was an exchange called Cryptopia, and probably a lot of people was part of that, and a lot of people lost money because I left the coins that I bought. It was my early days. So I'm trying to get you right now not to commit the same mistake that I did. All right, so the third reason why you want to have your own hard wallet is instant access to your fund. When you put your fund on an exchange, you have to transfer it when you need access to it. Me personally, I send money that I'm probably gonna trade for the day, or if you really looking to make some move in a week or something is happening in crypto where you really need your money to make some move, then you can send it to an exchange for like a week or a day or a couple of days. But you don't want to leave all your fund on there because you don't have instant access to it. Sometimes the exchange might have lag, there might be too many people on the exchange, it's too crowded, or something happened, a scam is going on, anything's going on, you don't have access to your money. And you cannot, put yourself in the place where not only you're gonna lose the profit, the gains that you're making, you also lose the money in the long run. So highly recommend you get yourself a hard wallet. And the last reason I want to share with you is the fact that when you have a hard wallet, you have your backup and recovery plan together. You have your recovery words, you can recover your seed word, you can recover your wallet, you can recover your wallet, your keys at any time that you want. On an exchange, you don't have the back end of the recovery. It's gone, guys. So make sure you get yourself a hard wallet so that these things do not happen to you. Now, if you want to make profit in the crypto bull run right now that's happening right now, if you want to make profit, let me know what wallet do you have in the comment down below. If you have a hard wallet, let me know which one you prefer the most. I have the Trezor and the Ledger, but let me know which one you're rocking with. Anyway, that was your boy Casey. I'll see you on the next video. See you guys later. Let's go.